Hi everybody, it's Diana with stampingwithdi.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this week's Teach Me Tuesdays, episode 194. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So today's video, I'm going to be going the class in the mail kit that I have for November, and I showed it a little bit yesterday, but I said that I would go over it better today, and so that's what I'm going to do. And this will actually be a little different than my normal monthly class in the mail kits, because I'm also going to be doing this over Zoom because it's such a fun kit and I want to do it together. So if you don't do Zoom, if you're busy that day, I don't want you to worry about it, because I will share the private link with you if you register for the class later. So it takes a little bit, for the Zoom to process and all that kind of stuff, and for me to get it up onto YouTube, but then you'll be able to just watch it at your leisure. So it's kind of similar to my socials, where we get together over the Zoom, and then I send you the link later for those that can't do the Zoom, you're busy or whatever. Now, I haven't decided if I'm going to do a Facebook group for this, because some people like to follow along in a private Facebook group, so I haven't really decided on that. You could let me know if that's something you're interested in. Otherwise, it will just be on the Zoom, and then I'll send you the link later. It's not a big deal. So it is a super fun kit. This is for United States only, because that's the only way that I can send the kits in the United States. So keep that in mind. And then it will be, I had quite a few people get back with me in regards to what day, because I had put 2 days out there that I was going back and forth, and the day I've chosen is November the 18th, and so that will be on the Zoom platform, and it will start at like 10 o'clock Arizona time, and it'll go probably a couple hours. We'll just kind of play it by ear. So that's 10 a.m. Arizona time. All right. So so let me turn the camera. This is going to be a $35 class, and it includes the kit, the cute little hot cocoa packet. I'll show you the Zoom, the priority postage, and then that private YouTube link if you can't do the Zoom. So let me know if you're interested. I'll send you the PayPal link. If something happens that you had already ordered the kit and you still want to do it, you just want to pick something of the same catalog value, and you'll get that instead, and then you can use your kit that you have at home. But it's super fun. I cannot wait to play with it. So today I'm just going to open up the kit and show you the pieces that are in there, and give you some ideas. Like I said, I just got it, so I haven't even had time to play with it. And I like to fiddle fart around with some of the kits, so there'll be extra stuff in your packet for sure. All right, so I'm going to turn the camera, so close your eyes just for a second. There we go, while I got adjusted there. So this is the cute kit that I'm talking about. So this is the Rustic Christmas Countdown Kit, and it's basically like an advent calendar. Let me get my string out of here. I unhooked it yesterday for my live. Let me get that attached back up there, so you don't have to see that. Okay, so it is basically an advent calendar that is like a banner, and it is so fun. And this is what it comes with, and then you have these amazing clips. Look how big these are. I am in love with these wooden, like a clothespin. Isn't that what that reminds me of? All right, so you have this, and then here is the fun little whatchamacallit, hot cocoa packet. So you've got your hot cocoa, you've got your cookie. I was just trying to go by what was in the cup, so of course you won't get a cup, but but I figured we could make our hot cocoa and enjoy that together while we're putting our kit together. And I was gonna find some candy canes, and I was having a hard time finding those, and I thought, well, they might just end up getting broke in the mail anyway. So then I found these really cute little peppermint candies, and I thought, you know what, I'll just get those instead. They still have that red and white, and you can certainly, you know, put those in your cup. I looked for individually wrapped marshmallows even, and I couldn't find any, and I thought, I do not want to buy like unopened marshmallows and be touching people's marshmallows and putting them in a little bag. So you won't have any marshmallows in there. But I just thought it was so cute, and I just thought that was really fun. So each of you will get one of those in your envelope. But this is a fun kit that you can put together, you know, just yourself. Maybe you get together with friends or whatever. So let's get this open. But it is super cute. All right. So you've got your chipboard. I always keep the chipboard. And if you do some of my events or my classes, sometimes you see that I add chipboard to some envelopes and to some of my packing just to reinforce some of the things. So never throw your chipboard away. All right, so these are all the individual pieces, and it's just like any of the other kits. The paper pumpkin kits are monthly kits. So you have your instructions, you have your little ruler along the side there, and more instructions. So this just shows you, so like these are the numbers you're going to use with these embellishments. These are the numbers you use, just so that you don't have like a whole row of the logs, right? So that's kind of nice that they did this, so you don't have to think like, oh, which one do I put this with? So there's that, and then it shows what all is in the kit. So there's quite a bit. Like I said, I will probably be putting other embellishments in there, just, you know, just cause. All right, so here's your chipboard, and then it has these really cute little envelopes that have a texture to them. You've got your dimensionals, you've got your twine. Now this is a bigger twine. Let me get this open here. So this is like a thicker jute twine is what I would call it. And then this is that kind of a thicker jute as well. All right. You also have some red sequins, so those are pretty. And then here's our numbers. And then our embellishments there. All right, cool. But here are the envelopes. So you'll see that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 envelopes with this design, kind of like a leaf. And then you have, should be 12, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 with this weave look. And it's just paper, but you swear it is actual real ribbon, because it's got that fun texture to it. All right, so here's our numbers. Now what I like to do when I do the kits, I like to get all of my stuff like ready to go. Like, so we'll be doing that. So what I like to do is, so see how this has this right here? So it's like number 1. So then what I would do, and this is something you can decide if you want to do ahead of time, otherwise we can do it, you know, during the class. But so I would, you know, kind of get like, I know I need, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I would go I need 7 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then these go with that. So this is just, and then there's a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I can't wait because I just thought it was too fun to not do together. All right, so this goes with these ones as well. So like I said, I'm not going to put this together. I just wanted to, you know, show you what this kit was all about because it is super cute. But look at these fun little leaves and bows, and they just pop out, and they have such detail to them that it looks like a real bow. Like it looks like a 3D bow, but it's just paper. But it's got that really fun look to it. I love that. And then you've got your leaves. So they also have a 3D look to it. Let's see, what else do we have? We have some cute poinsettias. So these are all just pop out. So again, some really fun 3D look to that. And then we have these cute leaves here. So again, look at that detail. They've kind of got almost like a watermark on it. And I would probably bend them a little bit, you know, to get some definition. We've got some cute berries. Again, more of that watercolory look to them. So that's going to go on there, I'm assuming, just because it's got that. See how it has this right here? So I'm assuming this is going to lay right on there like that and cover that circle. So look how smart that was. So that's going to go on there, I'm assuming. And you've got these really pretty wreath, like a doily. So pretty. You've got your glue dots. And you know, I always just give those to my sister, and I use the ones on the spool. We've got some pretty leaves. So this is a really nice kit. And this would be an awesome gift as well. Like you could make it, and then you could put something in each of the envelopes and, you know, give it in full. Or say you work at an office. Hang on, let me turn the thing here. Say you work at an office, you could, you know, maybe you have a secret Santa. Do they still do that in the office? In my office at home, it's Winston and Jeff. So we don't do Secret Santa. But let's say you did work in an office and you had a Secret Santa. You could each day, you know, you could put a little envelope on that person's desk with the number as it counts down to the Christmas, and have a little treat or whatever there. The envelopes are a good size. You can see them right here. They would hold a gift card. So see, they would hold a gift card. So I always have like a sample gift card. So they would hold a gift card. They would hold, what else do I have in my in my drawer? They would hold, oh, if you're addicted to Carmex like me, you could put Carmex in there. They would hold chocolate. Like, they would hold a candy cane, right? But, so they're a good size, totally a good size, for little doodads. If you don't do a Secret Santa, in my mind, I was thinking they would be cute to hang on a tree. And then you, as you're counting down, you know, you would hunt for that number in the tree. Say you have like a small child and you do the shelf, is it Elf on the Shelf or whatever? Maybe each day that elf holds the number of the envelope as it counts the days down. Just things like that. There's just so many ways you could you could use that. You could get an extra kit, and maybe you don't use the numbers. Maybe you just use the packaging, and you're just handing them out, you know, randomly. They don't have to actually have a number on them or whatever. But it's super fun. So I hope that you'll be interested. Registration is open now, so I will get that out. I haven't actually, like you're the first ones I'm telling. I haven't even did the email yet. So the registration is open now, and it will be open until I sell out, because while supplies last, and then obviously, you know, I have to get it to you in time. So you want to make sure you register, you know, pretty quickly, so that I can get them in the mail to you, so that you have them by November the 11th. That's the day I said, right? November the 11th. No. Oh my gosh, Diana. November 18th. November 18th. I don't know what I was thinking, November 11th, but November 18th. So you probably want to let me know by November 11th, so I can get them in the mail. Maybe that's why I had that in my head. But the event will be November the 18th on Zoom, or you can watch the video later and make them on your own. But I just thought it would be fun to do together. So if you have any questions at all, make sure you reach out to me. Again, this is United States only, because I can only send packages within the United States. So just keep that in mind. I think that is all. So if you have any questions, make sure you let me know. Otherwise, I will see you Friday for my Dies shorts. That'll be 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. So thank you so much for joining me today. Again, if you have any questions, make sure you let me know. All right, I will talk to you later. All right, bye for now.